Now let's focus on the differences between static loads, dynamic loads, and cyclic loads. Static loads are forces that remain relatively constant, such as the aircraft's basic empty weight and payload. They occur constantly. Pilots affect these loads by managing the total weight and its distribution before flight. During flight, the weight changes by burning more or less fuel or by dropping cargo or fire agents. Dynamic loads are transient, rapidly fluctuating forces resulting from acceleration or movement. They occur during maneuvers, turbulence, and the impact at landing. Pilots can increase dynamic loads by performing abrupt or high-G maneuvers and decrease them by flying smoothly and avoiding severe weather. Cyclic loads are repeated application and removal of stress. They occur throughout the aircraft's life, especially with each ground-air-ground cycle and during repeated maneuvers or during pressurization cycles of the cabin. The number and magnitude of maneuvers performed by the pilot influence the overall cyclic stress spectrum, which is closely monitored during a modern aircraft's life.